Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding two different time clocks or a dual clock widget on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel phone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the clock icon. That'll open up the clock app here. And you want to select the clock button at the bottom. And if you want to add a second clock, select the plus icon down here. And then you just can go ahead and enter in a city, whatever you are looking for, and then just enter it in. And there you go. Now you have two clocks. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.